Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the fondant center because its texture sets the whole candy. Combine 200 g icing sugar with 30 g softened butter and 1 tablespoon corn syrup in a bowl, mix to a breadcrumb stage. Once mixed, add 2 tablespoon milk slowly to bring it together. This controls chewiness. You want a pliable, non-sticky dough so it can be shaped. Make sure to knead briefly on a silicone mat until smooth. This develops the sheen and prevents grainy sugar crystals from. Once your fondant is smooth, divide it into 12 equal portions so each cream egg is uniform. Shape each portion into an egg or oval. This matters for even coating. Place shapes on parchment and chill 10-15 minutes so they firm up, which prevents deformation during dipping. While they chill, temper or gently melt chocolate to 30-32 degrees Celsius for proper snap and gloss. Make sure to stir and keep chocolate at working temp. A consistent temperature ensures a thin, even shell when you coat. You now coat the chilled centers. Use a dipping fork, submerge each fondant egg fully, then tap off excess so the shell is thin and even. Place coated eggs on parchment and allow to set. Room temperature is fine, or 10-15 minutes in the fridge speeds things up. Once set, make sure shells are dry before storing in an airtight container. If the chocolate cracks or blooms, remelt and retemper the chocolate and avoid rapid temperature changes. This fixes shine and prevents sugar bloom from humidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.